Hello guys, today we are going to see the love reading and the career reading for Leo and Libra. The timestamp is in the description box. Initially I'm going to do it for Libra and the second part will be for the Leo. It's going to be both career and the love reading. If you are very new to my channel, kindly share, like and subscribe. If this resonates, kindly like my video. Thank you so much in advance. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Just take what resonates with you. Okay, I'm not quite well today, but I'm going to do a lot of editing. Okay, let me first do it for Libra love reading. Okay, if you want to book a personal reading, the details are also in the description box. You can reach me through my WhatsApp or through my Instagram page, and personal readings are chargeable. Personal reading will be based on your name and date of birth so that you can able to get an accurate reading. Thank you so much. Libra. Now reading please for Libra. Now reading please for Libra. 6 cards please. Okay, five more cards please for Libra love reading. Interesting. Okay, the overall energy of the card is the Two of Wands, Ace of Cups, Hanged Man, Lovers. Is there any uncertainty is happening in your love relationship? Because I could see the Hanged Man, and also as well as I could see the Lovers. There is a lot of uncertainty. At the same time, the Nine of Wands, which is telling me like, okay, you're not opening up about your relationship. Let's see, overall energy is Two of Wands. I feel like, you know, like you're very much scared or you are planning to travel. If not, I feel like if not, I would feel like you're very much hesitant to take a very new step. Okay, let's see why the Two of Wands is here. Why the Two of Wands is here. Could see a lot of passion over here in your relationship. Is that so? Why the Two of Wands is here? 2 cards clarification please. 2 cards clarification please. This is about us. It is about a relationship. I could see the Ten of Cups and the Justice over here, which is telling me something is not fair, or you know, you want to make sure in your relationship that you have been waiting for such a long time. You want a relationship, a proper family relationship. You want to make it in a balanced way, but things are not in a balanced way, because there is a lot of give and take issues which is happening in your relationship. And also I could see 3 of Swords. There is a pain, there is a suffering. Okay, why is the Six of Pentacles is here? Why is the Six of Pentacles is here? Why is the Six of Pentacles is here? Yes, as I told you, you have been juggling between you have tried to work out on it, because Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Two of Pentacles and the Fool, which is telling me like, you know, there is a lot of juggling in a give and take in a relationship. Okay, you're the big one. Okay, I have given this much for this relationship. What you have given to me, like, you know, there is a lot of give and take issues. There is a lot of imbalance in your relationship. You could not able to balance things, maybe between your professional or maybe between your ego, or so many things. I could see a lot of sufferings over here. Let me see why the Knight of Swords is here. Let me see why the Knight of Swords is here. The Knight of Swords. Okay, you have been rushing towards to make it happen, but you're rushing towards to make it happen, like, you know, you're ready to offer. Okay, you're ready to apologize. Maybe I feel like there is an apology coming in your way. There is a person coming in your way to make it right, because you know this person for a very long time. This is a very either it could be a past life relationship, or you know this person, this is something related to something past. This is a nostalgia moment, or memories moment past, or there's something, the person or trying to come again in your life, any old person or trying to come again in your life. The person or coming towards you, offering you their love, because the imbalance which has happened in your life, I think you're saying no to it. You're not interested. No, I'm done, I don't want to. There is a lot of heartbreak which has happened, and there I feel like a person coming in your way, maybe to apologize, maybe to offer you, like, you know, to get a second chance, or like, you know, to get to offer you, I mean, to meet you again, to have you in your life again, or a new person is, I don't see any new person over here. It's not about a new person, it's already a known person. Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here? 2 cards clarification, please. You have moved on. Even they are ready to offer you something. You want to move towards the calm water, because you have faced a lot of uncertainty, like, you know, you're not opening yourself, you're not ready to face that again. I feel like you're not opening up. You want to be on your own right now. You want to be on your own right now, because you don't want any kind of disappointments over there. You don't want any kind of confront conversation. You don't want any kind of any egoistic or no silly conversations which hurt your ego, or which hurt you. You don't want any hurt by other people. So you're just that is why I'm getting overall energy as a 2 of Wands, like, no, at the same time I'm getting a energy like, should I accept that offer, should I, no? But major of your energy is totally on no, let me be on my own. I don't want this to become again. But let's see the outcome. Anyhow, that what is the outcome of this situation? What is the outcome of this situation? Outcome is Ace of Swords, which is telling me like, yes, you're about to get a clarity. You're about to get a clarity in very soon in this situation. Very soon you're about to get a clarity, guys. Okay, so let's look into your career reading for Libra. Career reading for Libra. Okay, career reading for Libra. Okay, Nine of Cups. Okay, the High Priestess. Okay, okay, the Four of Swords. Okay, Six of Pentacles. Okay, Eight of Wands. Okay, the Seven of Wands. Okay, the overall energy is the confusion. You're hoping, and you have a faith and hope for the best, and I could see a lot of fear and anxiety over here, but that is your longing for independence, in the financial independence, like looking for some celebration also. But right, the major overall energy is the Seven of Cups. A lot of confusions, a lot of opportunities. You don't know which one to focus on right now, and also there is a lot of you know, you're drawing boundaries, you're defending yourself in your career path. You're giving too much to your you're giving too much to in your career. You are manifesting something in your career. You want your wish to be get fulfilled in your career. At the same time, I feel like, you know, like you're very calm, you're lying, but you're it's for the business people. You have invested in it, but you have the healthy boundaries. It's not about a healthy boundaries, you're defending yourself a lot. Let's see why the Seven of Cups is here as an overall energy. Why the Seven of Cups is here as an overall energy. Why the Seven of Cups is here as an overall energy. Yes, the Seven of Swords and the Two of Wands, which is telling me, like, you know, like Seven of Cups, Seven of Swords and the Two of Swords. You don't know which this is the right path to take, and also there is a lot of in and out which is happening in your career relationship, you know. There is a lot of issues, could be the trust and the commitment issues. That is why I could see a lot of defense, a lot of boundaries in your career way. Lot of issues which happened, so you have been confused. Maybe you would have been, there is a possibility for you to get backstabbed, or you know, maybe the people who is among you may be trying to betray or do something very deceitful, in and out, doing some sneaky peeky thing without your knowledge. And you're also about to take a new adventure step, because you have been in comfort zone and you're very much hesitant to take a very new step in your career. Okay, why the High Priestess is here? Why the High Priestess is here? Why the High Priestess is here? High Priestess is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. It's not about the money. I feel like it's not about the money. It feels like, you know, like I know everything. I know the best. You don't know anything. This is, you know, the egoistic, the competition, the politics plays a major role over here. It's not about the money. You have a hell lot of, you don't have any problem with your money. If you ask me, you don't have any kind of problem with your money. That is a very quick communication, or you know, very quick message is coming on the way. Let's see why the Eight of Wands is here. Let's see why the Eight of Wands is here. Why the Eight of Wands is here. Yes, Eight of Wands is clarified by the Moon and the Page of Pentacles, which is telling me, no, yes, this is about the money. Money, Eight of Wands is clarified by the Moon and the Page of Pentacles. Like, you know, maybe people, or you know, there is a lot of secrecy, or you know, there is a lot of mystery happening around when it comes to a communication. You know, there is no a proper communication. I feel like, you know, people are trying to manipulate you over here with the miscommunication. Okay, yes, there is a lot of it's not about doing it purposefully, you know, make the text or even the message, or even, yes, there is a, you can there is a great message or communication, it's coming on the way. Maybe the message or the text or the email, it is coming in a manipulative way. It's coming in a very manipulative way. Why the Seven of Wands is here? Why the Seven of Wands is here? So, okay. This defensive mode is to have a proper commitment in your work. You have defended yourself. Okay, you have defended yourself, you are defending yourself. Okay, you have drawing the boundaries to have a proper healthy commitment to your work and to your career. This is very much appreciable. What's the outcome of the situation? What's the outcome of the situation? outcome of the situation is Queen of Wands. Yes, you can do it. That is a power backup. Okay, you can take up the power back. You can able to do this. Maybe people are trying to manipulate you, trying to confuse you, because there is a lot of opportunities. Those lot of opportunities or not the right choice to concentrate on. Choose a right one option for you. Maybe so many illusions, so many things are coming in your way to distract you. Okay, but if you defend yourself, but if you have a healthy boundary, I hope you can able to take a power back in your career. All your wish will be it will come true. Okay, for sure. Because yes, there is a lot of deceit or betrayal, manipulative things are happening behind you, but still if you draw a healthy boundary, you can achieve those things. Thank you so much. Let's do it for Leo. Leo, hi. So let's do a love reading for you. Okay, love reading for Leo, please. Love reading for Leo, please. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Kindly take what resonates with you. If you want to book a personal reading, all the details are in the description box. Personal readings are chargeable. Okay, distance is the main problem, or waiting period is the main problem. I could see a lot of suffering because of that waiting, or could be because of that long distance. Okay, the overall energy for the reading is Queen of Wands. Wow, it's a very good reading. By the cards, I could see that yes, maybe the distance, maybe not giving time to you by the person you love. That could be the main problem here. But other than that, if you ask me, is love happening in between me and my man, or me and my girl? Yes, that it is. That it is. That it is. Okay, let's see why. Let's see. Overall energy is Queen of Wands. You're taking the power in your relationship. Okay, Leo. Why the Queen of Wands is here? Okay, why the Queen of Wands is here? Why the Queen of Wands is here? Okay, the Queen of Wands is clarified by the Two of Cups and the Six of Swords, which is telling me over here is maybe there is a travel involved in this relationship over here. If not, you're trying to move into some calmer waters, not with the baggage. Okay, with a lot of baggage within yourself. I feel like someone is traveling. I feel like someone is traveling over here. If not, there is a lot of baggage within yourself. You're carrying it with yourself over here. Over here. Why the Three of Wands is here? Why the Three of Wands is here? Why the Three of Wands is here? Is there a third party involved in your relationship, or is it a long distance, or making you to wait? Are you fed up of waiting? Yes. I could see a loneliness over here. I could see the loneliness over here. That could be the waiting period. Okay, you could not able to meet your person for a very long time. Could be the long distance, or maybe like he or she may be in the next street, but you guys could not able to see each other. Is that a problem? Why the Nine of Swords is here? Why the Nine of Swords is here? Okay, you're not happy. You're not happy because you're you're moving away Okay, you are trying to make yourself strong because you're showing yourself to the other people like you're a very strong one, but you know you're moving away. You're manifesting, I mean, out of this all griefy mode, because I could see over here you're fed up. And you're not happy. See, the persons are suffering or grieving because of this relationship. Maybe you guys would have got married. For some of the people, you are trying to manifest something new over here. Why the Seven of Cups is here? Why the Seven of Cups is here? Why the Seven of Cups is here? Seven of Cups is clarified by the Two of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, there is a confusion still persist in your mind. Energetically, there is a lot of confusions do persist in your mind. You don't know whether to move on from this relationship, but physically I do see like you're trying to move on, because you're fed up of waiting for a people. You're fed up of crying every night. Okay, I don't want to do this anymore. I feel like, you know, like, okay, let me have some other options in my life. And you're trying to create, you're trying to manifest something new into your life. Why the Magician is here? Why the Magician is here? Magician is clarified by the Three of Swords and the Page of Cups. Okay. Magician is clarified by the Three of Swords and the Page of Cups. Okay, people are trying to please you. The person is trying to please you to make it right. Why the King of Cups is here? Why the King? But it is already broken. You are like, no, it's broken, man. I don't want any other chances. Why the King of Cups is here? Why the King of Cups is here? The King of Cups is clarified by the Emperor and the Five of Pentacles. What's the outcome of the situation? What is the outcome of the situation? What is the outcome of the situation? The outcome of the situation is, okay, there is no point in being. Let me come out, let me concentrate on my career, or let me concentrate on something else, because there is no point in being here. Because even the manifestation, you know, even if you're coming in, no, I don't want anymore. I don't want anymore. Like, you know, I don't want to be one of your options. Okay, I want to be the you feel like I don't want to be one of your options. Okay, I want to be the main person in your life. You do feel that. Okay. At the end, I feel like, you know, there is a lot of dominance, you know, there is a lot of Five of Pentacles, you know. Okay, I'm done, I'm leaving. I don't need your sorry, I don't need your apology. It's broken once, it is broken. Yes, it is broken. So I have manifested something wrong in my life. It is making me to grieve. I don't want to go through that old feeling again and again. Let me concentrate on my money. Okay, I have understood everything about you. It's done. Once done is done, let me move on in my own life. Because overall energy which showed that you are trying to move on. Yes, you are trying to move on from your relationship. Okay, let me do it for your career. Let me do it for your career. Career, please, for career reading. This is a general reading, guys. It may or may not resonate. Career reading, please. career reading, please. As I told you, you're concentrating on your career more. Yes, you're making more and more of money. You're obsessed with money right now. You can't let go of money route, but you're taking actions in a very slow way. But I feel like you are celebrating your life on your own, because you have taken this new adventure on your life. You're running towards it. Yes, I do see career seems to be pretty good for you when it comes to career. But let me check why the Hermit is here. Why? But even in a career, you're trying to be alone sometimes, you know, but you know your friends are trying to help you over here in your career. You are celebrating in your career. Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here? Why the Hermit is here for you? Yes. That's because of, you know, the changes which happen. Maybe the personal reasoning, or trying to take a storm on you, trying to take a toll on you, but still you're trying your best to give the best in your career life. I'm sure you will do the best, because at the end of the card I'm getting the Justice. You are very much balanced in your work. You're obsessed with money. You're concentrating on money. You want to make more money right now. You want to be like, you know, I want to be a king, or I want to be a queen. Why the Justice is here? The Justice is clarified by the Death and the High Priestess. Yes. What's the outcome of the situation? What is the outcome of this situation? What is the outcome of this situation? The outcome of the situation is the Nine of Wands and the Eight of Swords. Like, you know, in your career, maybe you're fearing for nothing. Maybe you're not expressing much. Okay, you're not expressing much. You're so guarded up. Maybe you're so guarded up. Maybe you're worrying about something. You do have a fear, or you know, that is the only problem over here. You're being so guarded up. Okay, like you're not expressing much in your career, but because maybe the personal issue is taking a toll on you. But the Justice is telling me, like, you know, there is a new cycle which has started in your life when it comes to your career. You would like to take it forward in a very better way, if you ask me. Like, you know, like that is done. That is my past. I don't want to look back that, but right now everything is going great in a slow and steady pace. I want to make it move. At the same time, you no need to get panic for anything, because I do see, like, you know, like you don't need that. Yes, this is for you guys. Let's meet you by the next reading. Thank you so much. Let's spread on Leela.